In this video, let me show you how to change the screen lock settings on your MacBook Neo. So how much time does it take until the screen turns off, and how much time does it take so that the computer locks and you need to input the password? Step number one is to go right over here on the top left corner and click on the Apple logo. Then select System Settings. Once you're in this menu, we need to go on the left side, go down until you get to lock screen. Tap on it, and on the right side you're going to get more options. The first option is when the computer is on its battery power. So turn a display off on battery when inactive for, and by default it's 2 minutes, but yeah, you can set it the way you want. The second option is the same thing, but when the computer is connected to a power adapter. How much time until the screen goes black? And here you have other settings that you can change. Finally, you have require password after screen saver being or display is turned off. So after the display turns black, how much time until the computer will ask you for the password if you want to use it again? So by default, it's 5 minutes, but you can choose another option. So once you have selected this, it will be automatically applied. You don't have to save anything. And the next time your screen goes black, well, it will take 5 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, whatever you have chose there until it locks you out. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.